In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Notifications and Quick Settings. Then scroll down to click on Manage All right next to App Notifications. Hit Resend at the top and pick one of those options. Resend frequency, all or turned off. I want to see my apps with most frequent notifications, so I have to click here and tap on blue switches to disable them. To switch them back on, click on the same, now gray ones. If you want to, you can also go back and tap on any app over here. Then use this switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!